Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Steam account on the Steam application. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up the search bar, type in Steam and open up the Steam application. Now from here sign into your existing Steam application account, and from there we go to the top right corner where your Steam profile appears and you can manage your account. Now here we go to the account details, and inside the account details we're actually scrolling all the way down until we find the option delete my Steam account. Here, learn more about permanently deleting your account and associated information. If you press that button here, you'll get 3 steps. Step 1, you'll verify ownership of the account. So first you need to actually let Steam see and know that it is your account. From there, proceed to account deletion. Here, what was the first email you used for your account? And if you can't remember the first, give the one that you remember, and you need to provide your phone number. Here you need to show Steam that you have purchased the game on your account with your ideal transaction ID, with the name of your bank account and the name that registered in your ideal account. And here you have to give Steam the added CD key to your account if you have one still lying around. And here you can send it, Steam will review it, and from there as you can see, Steam will review the request and your account will be locked and deleted in 30 days. And from here you can still cancel the deletion if you contact Steam support within 30 days. So make sure to do know if you want to actually delete your account or not. Now, if you still got any questions regarding this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.